What's up, everybody? Welcome to Toneway Academy, where I teach you guys how to trade in the Forex market. Forex meaning foreign exchange. Okay, cool. So now let's talk about MetaTrader. So you're going to need two very important apps to do this trading. The very first app that you're going to need, probably everybody who's watching this video, you already got this app. So don't even worry about it. You got to go download it. But if you don't have this app, let me know. I will send you a link and you can sign up and maybe both of us can get $5. Who knows? With that being said, you need Cash App. Cash App is the very first app that you're going to need. And you need Cash App because Cash App has Bitcoin. We're going to talk about that later, but I'm trying to tell you what apps you need. First app is Cash App. Second app that you need is called MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4. You need MetaTrader 4 because that is where all the stuff happens. That has every market. That's where you make your money at. You make your money on MetaTrader 4. So you will never be so happy to download a free app to get money. You feel me? And this probably sound all scammy and stuff because people be like, download this app and get $100. Download this app. None of that. You feel me? You're gonna definitely need this app, and it's a free app. So once you download this free app, once you download Cash App, now we on to the next step, right? Y'all both got them apps? I'm about to wait. Do you got your app downloaded? You got it? Did you download your app? You got your app downloaded? Not yet? Just gotta go to the app store, that's all. Just to the app store, go to the app store, get MetaTrader 4, get Cash App. Oh, y'all got them? Bet, let's go. Now that y'all got your two apps that we need, right? You're gonna take your MetaTrader 4 app and you're gonna get you a free demo account, okay? Now, the reason why I say you're gonna get the demo account is because on your demo account, it's a demo account because it's going to demonstrate, okay? That's where the word demo come from. Demonstrate. I'm going to demonstrate how to actually use the real market with the demo account. Now, the demo account, they're going to give you like $100,000 in there. It's fake money, obviously. Please don't think y'all about to go into your demo account, cash out. It's a demonstration account, okay? So you're going to download your demo account, and I'm going to explain to you how to use the demo account, and you're going to fuck that money up. You're going to take some big losses. You're going to jump in some trades, and you're going to be down hella. You're going to be like, how the fuck did I just lose $50,000 that fast? Then you might hop in some trades, and you'll be like, damn, I just won $477 off 2 cents in 7 seconds. It's a demo. Relax. It's not real. But when we get to the real, it's going to be really happening. You feel me? And you're going to have to be very cautious because it's going to be your real money too that you trading with. So don't be too thirsty. If you thirsty, go take a sip of water. Okay? Sip some fine H2O. Me, I had to take a sip of water. I was too thirsty. Guess what my thirsty self did? Jumped into a trade with my real money thinking I don't need no demo account. Let me jump in. Jumped in, crashed out. But thank God, my white friends. That's why I gotta keep a white friend. I'm your white friend. Yo, my white friend showed me what I was doing wrong. They basically held my hand through the shit. Like, look, let me show you how to really do this shit, okay? Here go the notes, here go this, and now it makes so much sense to me. I can easily teach it to other people. And this is the reason why I'm here. I'm not asking nobody to sign up. I'm not asking for no cash app. I'm not telling you all, here, just give me $15. Y'all can jump in none of that weird shit going on, okay? This is real shit that I'm about to teach y'all, okay? So please take the knowledge that I'm telling you all and take it and really apply it because I'm really trying to help you really change your life. You feel me? We can all grow together, bro. We can learn together, trade together, get money together, and ultimately grow together.